Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0171, indicates that the rear bank 1 fuel system is operating too lean. This condition occurs in the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017, with engine types J35Y1 and J35Y2. In a lean fuel condition, the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an excessive amount of oxygen in the exhaust due to insufficient fuel being injected. The PCM continuously monitors the signal voltage from the oxygen content detected by the air-fuel ratio, AF, sensor located at the rear of the engine's exhaust system. The effective fuel injection is crucial as it maintains a stoichiometric air-fuel mixture, which is necessary for optimal engine performance and emissions control. Understanding this DTC is pivotal for diagnosing performance issues and enhancing engine efficiency in these Honda Accord models. The DTC P0171 primarily affects the rear air-fuel AF ratio sensor, specifically Bank 1, Sensor 1. This sensor's role is to measure the oxygen content in the exhaust, providing vital input to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The PCM uses this data to adjust the fuel injection and keep the air-fuel mixture close to the ideal stoichiometric ratio. When the fuel system is too lean, it signifies that not enough fuel is being injected, which can lead to engine misfires or decreased performance. Additionally, the issue may lie within the fuel metering components, such as the fuel pump, injectors, and pressure regulator, which may not deliver the required fuel volume. Other possibilities include vacuum leaks or malfunctions in the mass airflow (MAF) and manifold absolute pressure (MAP) sensors that could influence the fuel delivery system. Several factors can cause the lean condition represented by DTC P0171. A possible cause is fuel pump failure, which may prevent adequate fuel delivery to the engine. Another common culprit is injector failure, where fuel injectors may not open or close properly, leading to insufficient fuel flow. An air leak within the intake manifold or throttle body can also contribute to an excessively lean mixture, as unmetered air entering the engine disrupts the balance of fuel and air. Vacuum hoses that are misinstalled or damaged may exacerbate this issue. Additionally, problems with the MAF or MAP sensors can result in incorrect readings being sent to the PCM, affecting the fuel trim calculations that maintain optimal performance. When experiencing DTC P0171, drivers may observe several symptoms. One of the most common issues is poor acceleration, where the vehicle may struggle to gain speed or respond sluggishly when the accelerator is pressed. Additionally, engine misfires can occur due to the air-fuel mixture being out of balance, which may lead to rough idling or stalling. Drivers might also notice a lack of power during driving, particularly under load or during acceleration. The check engine light, malfunction indicator lamp, will likely illuminate as well, indicating a potential issue that requires immediate diagnostic attention. Some owners may also report unusual fuel consumption patterns, where fuel economy is negatively impacted due to the improper fuel mixture. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0171 involves starting the engine and holding the engine speed at approximately 3,000 RPM without any load. This can be done in an automatic transmission by placing it in park or neutral, or in a manual transmission by putting it in neutral. It's important to sustain this RPM until the radiator fan engages, indicating that the engine has reached a temperature where the engine management system is actively monitoring its conditions. Observing the engagement of the radiator fan is crucial, as it signals that the cooling system is functioning correctly, allowing you to focus on the AF ratio sensor and fuel trim without overheating the engine. Once the engine has been properly heated and running, the next step is to drive the vehicle at a steady speed between 15 and 75 miles per hour for at least 15 minutes. This step is essential to allow the PCM to continuously monitor the long-term fuel trim under varying load conditions. If the long-term fuel trim stabilizes around 1.0, it indicates that there may be no significant problems with the fuel system. Conversely, if the long-term fuel trim changes significantly, either escalating or declining, this would suggest that a more severe underlying issue persists. Throughout this period, it's imperative to remain observant about any unusual vehicle behaviors, such as hesitation or unusual sounds, which might point towards potential problems. The final repair verification for DTC P0171 involves confirming that the DTC has been successfully cleared from the vehicle's memory. This means the action taken to address the underlying issues should not result in the same DTC appearing again. Following the repairs, it is advisable to conduct a test drive in similar driving conditions to those which originally triggered the DTC. Monitoring the vehicle's performance during this process is vital to confirm stability in fuel trim readings. Observing the absence of idling issues, acceleration problems, and any signs of a lean condition can affirm effective repairs. Ultimately, this verification process is key to ensuring the longevity of the fixed components. Preventive maintenance is essential to avoid issues like DTC P0171. Regular checks of the air-fuel ratio sensors and other engine management components can help ensure optimal performance. Additionally, conducting routine inspections of the fuel system, including the fuel pump and injectors, will help diagnose problems before they escalate. Monitoring vehicle performance, particularly fuel economy and responsiveness during driving, can also serve as an early warning for potential fuel system issues. Keeping an eye on these components and addressing any preliminary signs of wear or malfunction can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering DTC errors in the future. In summary, DTC P0171 indicates a lean fuel condition in the rear bank of the Honda Accord's engine. Understanding the underlying issues and symptoms connected with this DTC is critical for effective troubleshooting. By following a detailed step-by-step diagnostic approach, technicians can systematically identify problems related to the fuel system and A-factor engine sensors. Additionally, implementing proactive preventive maintenance will help reduce the likelihood of future DTC occurrence. Ultimately, a combination of accurate diagnostics and consistent maintenance practices will promote better engine performance, improved fuel efficiency, and enhanced reliability for the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.